Hello everybody, what's up and welcome back to my channel. I'm bringing you another fashion video today. We gotta keep the fashion rolling. There's so much to style. I hope my address isn't showing. Oh shit. Cover that. My package came in the mail. I had a little peek, as you can see, because I just can't wait. It's like a freaking adrenaline rush when you get a package and you're like, ah, like a fiend. And then literally, I tried to wait, but I didn't. So I got my package. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you the top, the best, the most luxe, fashionable, to die for, immaculate gowns on Fashion Nova Luxe. So everybody tag Fashion Nova in this video and be like, hello, sponsor Karina already. She is like bringing all the heat with you guys and your brand and your company. So like, as I said, I can't keep shopping. So let's get on the sponsorships. Fashion Nova, send me some clothes so I can continue the reviews and styling. I actually have another Fashion Nova package coming in today, and I was gonna group it in with this video, but I couldn't wait for it to get here and I wanted to get this video filmed. So I'm just gonna do the dresses today and then I'll come back in a couple days with some more. As we all know, it's my birthday month. Are you guys shopping my Amazon wish list? Gift me, send me packages, spoil me. It's my birthday, why not? My birthday is exactly a week from today, so I'm very excited. I mean, sort of, but yeah. Yeah, so this is gonna be like a try on haul with review. I'm going to be showing you the products, showing you the dresses, showing you like the fabric up close so that you guys can see how this stuff really fits. What the materials are like. Is it trash? Is it not? We're getting the real deal here. Again, I am not paid to do this, so you are getting the real, the raw, the unfiltered review opinion of the one and only. I am Karina Marie, and like, trust me, I know what I'm talking about when it comes to fashion. I've been online shopping for years, so I am a professional at this point. I took advantage of the 40% off sale they had going on. I think it's still on right now. So like literally don't even shop on the website if there's not a sale, because they're always doing sales, you guys. They're doing sales left, right, and center all the time. So you should really never be paying full price for anything. So let's just get into it. And let me try on the first dress. Okay, I figured I should probably like show you the dresses first. So I should probably like show you the dresses first. So here's the first one. We all know what the packaging is like by now. This first dress is, they're both maxi dresses. This one is like a little more classic, and then the next one is gonna be like a lot more sexy. So this is called the Grand Entrance Maxi dress, and I got everything in a size extra small, so it's extra snug. Okay, so here we go. Here is the dress. Okay, it is all black. This is so like classy, you guys. Is this tilted? Oh my God. Dress is super classy. This is great for like date night, red carpet, ballroom, wedding guest. Yeah, this dress is gonna steal the show, especially if you have boobies up top. This is the dress for you, because this is all boobs. This accentuates the boobs. This dress is just boob central. So I'm gonna show you it before I put it on. It is a maxi dress. So it actually is like mermaid vibe bottom. So you can see it goes down and then it kind of like, well, you'll see it when it's on. I guess you can't really see it now, but so it's wired. It has these, so it has rubber on the inside, so it's gonna stick to your body nicely, nice and snug. So it just looks like this. There's wiring in here to keep the structure and hold you in. This is just stunning. When I saw this, I was like, that's so classy and classic. You could wear this again and again for sure. So the back is the same as the front. And then it has a side zipper to get into it. So let's get into the dress. Okay, so bear with me. Here I am attempting to get in here. It's so like delicate. I don't want to like rip anything. And I don't want to like screw up the wires. Delicate. I don't want to like screw up the wires, so just, oh shit. See, I'm like, what was that? So much boning going on here. Ah, there's a bone going up my butt. Oh shit, okay. Okay. Sometimes I just feel really bold and I'm like, let me just go for an extra small instead of a small. And then I'm like, why did I do that? But don't worry, we're gonna shape shift in here. So I got the bottom half on. 1 second while I try to get into this boning in up top. Okay, 1 sec. Oh my freaking God, you guys, I feel like a dream in here. Wait till you freaking see this. Oh my God, holy shit. 1 second. Okay, you guys. I'm gonna have to check this footage back to see if you can see the full dress, but are you kidding me? Holy cow. So the wiring definitely makes it so that everything's staying in place. I don't feel like I need to adjust. I don't feel like I'm gonna fall out. I mean, it is a little risky, but I don't feel like I'm gonna fall out. Look at how pretty the bottom is. So that's like mermaid style bottom. I just paired it with these black classic pumps. Holy moly. And then look at the back. So the back is the same as the front. It has that same wiring. Okay. If you go on a date in this outfit, you're probably gonna get proposed to. No joke. Oh my God. This dress, I give a 10 out of 10. Highly recommend. I think this dress goes for like $69. I don't know. I'll definitely link these items below. I think it's $69, but then I got it for like $35 on the 40% off sale. I mean, doesn't get better than that. Well, the material is so thick and like it literally just hugs to your body. I mean, I don't know what else to say. It's thick, it's snatching, it's snug, it definitely holds you in and shapes you. You can walk like you're not like, because it's that mermaid bottom, so it allows that sort of, I love this birthday dress. I think so. Nice dinner in this. This is, I mean, oh my God. I'm obsessed. I'm just obsessed. Try to get up close to show you guys the fabric here. I don't know if you guys can see or how this is looking, but I'll do this again. Look at the fabric. It's that luxe, hold you in, snug. Oh, mint. Obsessed. This is definitely, I've ordered so much stuff from Fashion Nova in the past like 10 years before it was even like this huge brand that it is today. I was ordering from them. So I think this literally has to be one of my favorite dresses I have ever purchased from them. Like, this is a yes. On to the next one. I don't know if you guys are ready for the next one. It's really it's really up there. Okay, let's go. God, oh my freaking God, you guys, are you kidding me? Okay, let's do this up. I'm gonna put the shoes on. Okay. So again, I am pairing this with the classic black pump because, I mean, this dress clearly is all the pizzazz and just wow. Can do this up at the back. Like, this dress has me speechless. I'm serious. So I don't even know what to say. Ah! No, I stepped on a rhinestone. This dress, first of all, was $99, but I got it 40% off, so can't go wrong. This cut, like this, where do I even begin? Okay, so it's a halter top. It's not a tie-up though. As you can see, it has this band here, and it's stretchy, so like you can stretch it a bit. This dress is heavy. Like, it's good quality, good material. It's not like light, flimsy. These rhinestones on here are so particularly placed. It's magnificent. The back has this extra tie here so that your boobs aren't falling out, but even when it's not tied, like, it feels secure here. It's really, wow. I mean, these cutouts and the fucking back of the dress, like the backless dress, oh my god. So this is called the Beverly Maxi dress. It's selling out fast, so get your hands on it now. I was actually surprised it was still in stock because this is incredible. So on the website, it looks like black and silver, but now in person that I'm seeing it, the rhinestones are like rainbow colored, so that's gonna look so good on camera if you guys want to get your Instagram pictures or whatever. This screams, it's my birthday. Look at that. Can you guys see the fabric up close? It is like, so there's like netting in there. So first of all, it's a layer of fabric, and then there's like a netting over top to, I don't know, to keep it extra secure or what. I love how the dress just hugs the body and it goes straight down that side leg there. This whole like split like that, incredible. I mean, this dress is like a 20 out of 10. Blew my expectations right out of the park. I mean, I'll definitely be doing a lot of photos in this dress. Look at how pretty it is from this side too. It's like super snug all the way. It's super snug all the way down here too on the side of your leg. It's not like the fabric here is stretchy, just not where the seams are. So it does have a tiny bit of stretch, but not much. And then there's a zipper closure in the back, so you can zip it up and down. It actually comes with a built-in panty. So I don't know how it's showing on camera, but there's underwear built in. I wonder if I can show you this without like being too, see that? See it? See that? See it? So yeah, it's a total built-in panty. It's not like a thong, but I like just hiked it up my ass and it became a thong for me personally. Yeah, it was not covering these cheeks. So that's it from the back. Oh my god, you guys. Yes, this is a yes. This is like, I mean, this is a birthday dress. 100%, hands down. This is the winner. Win the show. All eyes are on you. This dress should be called All Eyes on You because as soon as you walk in the room, nobody's gonna exist but you. It's like, superstar, hello. Every man's gonna want you. Every woman's gonna wanna be you. And oh my god, I can literally see it glittering like from in my camera. That is crazy. Obsessed. This is like just the star of the show, so it literally doesn't need anything. A classic black pump is literally all you need. Love. 10 out of 10. Get your hands on this. Again, I'm wearing a size extra small, and this is the Beverly Embellished Maxi dress. Love it. Literally, you guys, look at the sparkle on this dress. So now you can see what I mean by it's like kind of rainbow. Just look at how it sparkles. Oh my god. And then I wanted to show you like the netting up close. So this is what I mean. So the actual dress, like it's heavy. This part is just, it's like a thick netting though. It's not thin. It's not like mesh. It's like a net. It's like a literal net. So the bodysuit is just from like the boobs all the way down to the panty. And then, yeah, it's just the bodysuit in there. And then the rest is just that knitting. But like I said, it's super heavy and like I 100% would buy this again and again. Love. Well, you guys, that concludes today's video. I hope you enjoyed these beautiful luxe gowns and like get more insight. Maybe you have an event to go to. Maybe your birthday's coming up like me. Let me know if you're a part of the tourist gang in the comment section below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Which dress was your favorite? Fruit flies. Which dress was your favorite out of the two? The other one was definitely more classic. Are you into that classic, beautiful vibe, or are you more amp it up, sexy, go all out, bedazzled? Let me know. Fashion Nova literally has something for everybody. So take advantage of the 40% off sale and shop now. Don't forget to hit that bell button to get notified every time I post so that you do not miss a video. Subscribe if you're not already subscribed. Hit the thumbs up button if you enjoyed this video. It helps me with the algorithm. And comment. Let's see some engagement. Come on, you guys. I'm gonna order one of these dresses, and where are you gonna wear it to? Oh, I forgot to mention. Have you guys been checking my website? And any of my subscribers, if you're in the LA area, come watch me perform on May 2nd in Van Nuys. I am coming to a city near you. This is one of many, so if you can't make it to this one, don't worry, there is more to come. But definitely come if you're in the LA area. I would love to see you. Come up to me, say hi to me. Let me know if you're part of my YouTube family. And let's vibe. Let me serenade you. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, sweethearts. I don't want to take this off.